Butler Bobcats and Bobcat parents. Miss Holt here. Freezing in my backyard this morning. I thought it was supposed to be warmer. Anyway, spring has sprung, and I want to reach out to Bobcats who are specifically more on the younger side, kinder, first, and second, which is what I teach in room 103. I teach K through 2 cross-cat class. Cross-categorical. That means that I have a lot of different kiddos in my room that need a little extra help. I wanted to talk to you this morning about going outside and getting some fresh air, even on a cold morning like this. I've went ahead and put on my jacket. I got my scarf on. But you know what? It's spring, so I wanted to wear my springy colors. I wanted to show you guys some fun stuff that I just found in my backyard this morning. Okay, are you ready? I have lots of rocks around my house, and sometimes I get really lucky and find some like this that are actually cut in half. See if it'll focus in. There we go. You see how there's like a little rock inside and then a line around that rock and then more rock around that rock? Isn't that crazy? That's a big one too. I found it in my front yard. I have lots of rock out there. I found this one. It's got lots of like crazy holes in it. Look at this one. There we go. So it's got lots of little tiny rocks and holes all around it. Isn't that crazy? You can find all kinds of stuff. If you look behind me once the camera focuses again, woohoo, camera. Hey, either I can get it to focus on the rock or me, but not when I want it to. Here we go. There we go. Hello. There is a big old tree in my front yard back there that you can see, and that is actually a sort of birch tree. That means that the bark around the trunk actually peels off in layers. And so when I went looking around, I actually found this yesterday when I was doing some stick pickup, which you Bobcat parents might know all about. I found this piece that had peeled off of my tree, and you can see that it's kind of like paper in the fact that it's kind of rolled up. Yesterday when I found it and it was nice and wet and rainy, it had a worm living in there. It had some bugs living in there. I can kind of uncurl it a little bit. I don't want it to like completely break off. But I will show some more pictures and talk a little bit more about that tree on my webpage, which if you go to the teachers' web pages and you find Miss Holt, it'll be in there on my news feed. So check it out. Boys and girls, while you're at home staying safe during this crazy time, get outside in your backyard and look around and explore. Make sure you check with your parents first, okay? And definitely, whatever you find, please don't bring it in your house without your parents' permission, because it could have critters living inside, okay? And they belong outside, not inside. When the weather's a little warmer and a little less chilly like it is today, you'll find lots of bugs and critters. If you listen, you can hear the birds. Go outside in your backyard and look around. You'll be amazed at some of the things you can see. I miss all you guys. Take care. Be safe.